How to enable cinematic mode on Blackmagic Camera. So if you want to use cinematic mode on your Blackmagic Camera, then you need to make sure you set this yourself. So basically here on some iPhone, you do not have access to Blackmagic Camera if you're using the primary camera on your iPhone. But here, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily turn on or enable cinematic mode on the Blackmagic Camera app on your iPhone. So if for the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Blackmagic Camera app on your phone. Now once you open the Blackmagic Camera app, locate this camera icon and then click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to have Extreme, Cinematic, Standard and Off. Now to switch from standard to cinematic mode on the Blackmagic Camera app, just click on Cinematic. Then instantly you should see the cinematic mode enabled. So if you click on standard, it should say the standard like this, and then the cinematic mode, then you should have your cinematic like this. You can also go extreme or turn this off. Or better still, to turn on or enable cinematic mode on Blackmagic Camera, all you just need to do is click on this camera icon and then click on cinematic. And then there you go. So that is basically how to enable or turn on cinematic mode on Blackmagic Camera. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.